Chasing the highs, girl, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna finally get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hey gorgeous people, and welcome back to another video and another what I eat a day. I haven't done one of these for a while, but I'm really excited to. I love sharing recipes with you, and I feel like I wouldn't forgive myself if I found a really good recipe and didn't share it with you. So if you're new here, I am vegetarian / plant-based, but I do still indulge in a bit of fish, so technically you could call me pescatarian. But my diet's mainly centered around like getting loads of veggies in. I try to avoid like dairy, and yeah, it's just a bit all complicated, but I do indulge in a bit of fish because I love sushi. Obviously I have my vegetable sushi, going into it a bit deep there, but yeah, I'm really excited to share with you what I eat today. I have got a really good little what I eat in a day today because I'm really excited for the recipes that I'm going to be making. So for breakfast, I'm really excited for because I'm getting a little bit hungry. I've just gotten ready and everything. I've done like a cute little braid in the front, but it's not moulding too much. Breakfast, I'm going to be having this peanut butter and cherry oat cake, which I'm really excited for. I've never tried it before, but it's so easy. Just whack it all in the blender and then put it in the microwave after that. All of these recipes aren't mine, unfortunately, but I'll link them all down below. And then for lunch, I actually made these healthy jam bars. If you follow me on Instagram, I put them on my story, so I might have that with like a little snacky picky lunch, or I might change my mind because then it's oats and then oats again. But for tea, oh my god, I'm going to be making this vegetarian vegan cottage pie. Oh my god, so I peeled and prepped the potatoes for like the mashed topping. I love using my red potatoes, and then in the base I'm going to be making that today, which is carrots, mushrooms, onions, and then corn mince I'm going to be using instead of lentils because I actually made some lentils, but I'll be using that for a soup for another day. And then you just put all your seasoning and stuff in it, and then you layer it up and put it in the oven, and then serve with like extra veggies. I'll probably have one with like broccoli or something. But basically I've just been getting loads and loads of vegetables into my diet recently because they are like low calorie density, and yeah, I've been really enjoying it. It really makes you feel so good when you're eating so well. So I'm really excited, and oh my god, massive update. We're going on holiday. We've booked our holiday now. We're going to Mallorca. So I have a little date to work towards with my journey, but I'm really excited. I hope you are too. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to see more of these what I eat in a day, then please let me know. I actually want to do one of these like once a month, but I just need to know if you want to see that and if they'll do well, of course. But yeah, let's get straight on into breakfast because I'm dying to see what this cake tastes like, and yeah, just really excited. Before we go on into breakfast, I thought I'd quickly mention the importance of water. I love water, so I don't find it difficult at all to drink my water. That's the first thing I drink as soon as I wake up. I'm such a water girl. I love lemon, cucumber, everything in my water. I absolutely love it. But this water bottle from Tesco is amazing. It was only £6. It was on deal actually. Yeah, it's a really big water bottle and I love it so much. So drink your water. It's great for your body. We're made up of basically 70%? 90? A lot of water. We're made up of a lot of water. So drink your water. It's so good for you and it makes your skin glow. So always drink my water before breakfast and in the morning, but I'm really excited for this peanut butter cherry cake. So this is how the cake turned out. Oh my god, look how yummy this is, all the cherries. I'm super excited to dig into this. It's meant to be like a cake like consistency, but oh my god, that was so easy to make, so I'll leave it down below. Oh my god, look at this! This is giving me cherry bakewell vibes because I actually put almond extract in mine. By the way, I'm going to film another video. This is why I've got this little setup going on. I'm going to film a haul for you guys. But I just wanted to give a quick little taste test. I'm really excited for this. Like, I'm really excited. I was going to stay outside, but it's not actually that sunny. But yeah, my hair just flicks up all the time. This is why I never have it down, because it just flicks up at the end. But let's get on into the taste test of this gorgeous little cherry bakewell cake. Oh, okay. So it's like a little cake. Oh, you can't see. Sorry about that. So that's what it looks like inside. That is yum. That was a big mouthful. That is really yummy. So I don't know if you can see the consistency. It's literally like a cake. That is yum. So that's breakfast. I would highly recommend, and I will pick you up when I'm feeling hungry again and it's lunchtime. So my hair's looking different because it just got in my way, and I've been outside reading my book in the sunshine. This is Psycho-Cybernetics and Self-Fulfillment by Maxwell Maltz. But yeah, it's really good if you're into like your mind and your subconscious mind and reprogramming it and stuff like that. Such a good read. I have been outside and I did want to vlog a little bit outside, but literally like it's just been chaos. My neighbour's like doing something with the garden fence so he can look into our garden, like the front bit. And that's where the garden furniture are and like is, and the chickens are in the back, and then it's just like they're like making so much noise. So I have been outside, by the way. I've just been reading my book. I'm so full. I could only eat half of that cherry cake, so I'm gonna prepare some vegetables now for the cottage pie, like veggie cottage pie later, and I'll show you the jam bars as well. But that's what I'm gonna get up to. Just to check in. I have been doing stuff, and I have filmed my next video before or after this one, so I have been busy. I've been a little busy bee, but yeah, I could not finish that cherry cake. So nice. I'd highly recommend. It's so beautiful and sunny. So here are the jam bars featuring my chickens. But they're so yummy. They are a blueberry actually, and chia seed topping with oats, bananas, chickpea base, and yeah, absolutely stunning in this light as well. I bet they can't wait for me to drop one. But yeah, these are really nice jam bars. I'll leave the recipe for these down below as well, but I'll probably snack on these if I'm a little bit hungry. But that breakfast did really fill me up. So we've got a very chaotic little setup. I've got loads of veg to chop up, carrots, onions, mushrooms, then I've got my leftover breakfast here, mashed potato, and then I've got some lentils over here. Tea towel, my hands have got a bit wetter. But yeah, I'm going to be chopping all these up, and then I've also got some corn mince for this recipe. I'll link the recipe down below. So I'll get these chopped up and show you the end result. I always find that's easiest. So here is my late afternoon / evening meal. We have the cottage pie, which is made out of corn. We've got the onions, carrots, mushrooms, everything that I showed you before, loaded with the mashed potato topping that I made myself from scratch, filled up with broccoli, and yeah, lots of veggies in this meal. I'm looking so forward to filling up on my veggies first and having my lovely veggie meal as well. It's practically all veggies apart from the potato, but yeah, really yummy. I'm looking forward to digging into this in the sun. So gorgeous people, that's going to go ahead and bring us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, enjoyed the recipes, and let me know down below if you try any. I am obsessed with the jam bars, I'm obsessed with the cake. I'm such a sweet tooth gal, so just finding like lower calorie density meal options, and just the sweetness is still there but from natural sources like fruits. It's just so amazing that you can create the same thing with the less fat and less sugar and all that stuff that they throw into these things. So yeah, I really enjoyed these recipes, and thank you so much for watching this what I eat in a day. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more of these, or just let me know down below. But thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.